This is the elevator at the Beneficial Building in Southside Flats, Pittsburgh, Pennsylvania. The Schindler 330A, HT. Up to 3. Interior up. It's shaky, very bumpy. Not too bad though. You're at 3. Boarded up with window connect on the 1. It's an old building, so obviously this elevator was added later. There's 2 certificates. There's an up-to-date certificate here, and there's an outdated certificate there. They should just take that certificate out. Installed in 2008. It's a basic figure granite cab. It's a bit kind of a dated cab, but at the same time, it's not ugly or anything. Not what you expect from a 2006 installation, or the Aerox is 2006. The Pro number is 2008. You're back at 1. Because it's not going to be